Ever tried explaining the concept of a bank to your grandma? Remember that awkward shuffle when you try to describe things like online banking and mobile apps? Maybe you yourself are new to the whole banking scene and the idea of an online-only bank like Ally sounds a bit too unconventional. Well, fret no more, because today we're diving deep into the world of Ally Bank. Is it online only, and what exactly does that mean for you? Let's rewind a bit. Think about the classic image of a bank, a grand building on a corner plot, shiny marble floors, tellers behind high counters. That was pretty much the only game in town for a long, long time. But the world, as it tends to do, has moved on. The internet revolutionized the way we do just about everything, and banking is no exception. Enter online banks like Ally. Here's the gist: Ally offers all the core banking features you'd expect, but without the physical branches. Everything is done digitally: opening an account, depositing checks, transferring money, you name it. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's actually becoming increasingly popular. But is online only a deal breaker? Let's explore the pros and cons. On the plus side, convenience is king. Imagine managing your finances from your phone, no matter where you are. Need to transfer some cash? A few clicks and it's done. Ally also tends to offer competitive interest rates. Since they don't have the overhead costs of physical branches, they can pass on some of those savings to you. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? But hold on a sec, because there's another side to the coin. For some folks, the idea of not having a physical branch to walk into can be a turnoff. Maybe you value that in-person interaction, having a friendly face to answer your questions. Online banks typically rely on customer service helplines or online chat, which might not be ideal for everyone. Security is another concern that pops up sometimes. Is my money safe in an online-only bank? Well, Ally uses high-grade encryption technology to keep your information secure. But remember, online security is a two-way street. You've got to be smart with your passwords and be cautious about suspicious emails or calls. So, the big question, is Ally Bank right for you? Well, that depends on your banking habits and what you prioritize. If you crave convenience and competitive rates, and you're comfortable managing your finances digitally, then Ally could be a great fit. But if that in-person branch experience is important to you, then a traditional brick-and-mortar bank might be a better choice. The good news is, you have options. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and pick a bank that aligns with your needs. Ally isn't the only online bank out there, but it's a strong contender in the game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.